If you have a girlfriend, if you have a boyfriend, you think they're going to solve your loneliness, they're going to be with you forever, they're going to support you, they're going to love you, they're going to love your lifestyle, they're going to put up with you, they're going to go along with everything you want, and that's why they deserve to be with you and you deserve to be with them. And you're so happy because in the beginning, it's like that. Everybody's on their best behavior in the beginning. You believe that this person is your savior. And then you start seeing cracks and flaws. And then you just put that aside. Then you see another crack. Oh, but you're in Buddhism and they don't like Buddhism. You go, oh, never mind. You know what? But they're good to me. They like the food I like. They like swimming, they like scuba diving, and they also like going to the gym like me. That's okay. And then, your relationship becomes like that. One is not no more, another one's no more, another one's no more, another one. And then pretty much you say, why do you like this guy? I don't know. Why are you with this person? Then it goes back to the real answer. I'm afraid to be alone. And if I'm alone, I feel I'm not fulfilled. Or another reason, if I'm alone, I feel I didn't accomplish what I look down, or maybe I need to mate every day and I need someone there ready for mating. I don't know. We all have our little reasons. What am I trying to say? That you're wrong and that person's wrong? No, go deeper. Your projection of how that person is. And then one day, you realize they're not like that, is what makes you fall out of love from them. Because you didn't fall in love with them, you fell in love with how you thought they were. Solution? Accept people as they are. And they need to accept you as you are. You don't accept your projection of them. You accept them as they are.